I said, if you can tell me a little bit more about that, what do you mean by domain knowledge?
Domain knowledge means what is the domain actually? Here, banking domain or insurance domain. Like this, we have lot many domains, right? E-commerce domain, healthcare domain. Okay, we have lot many domains. Means as an initial tester, if you want to go as an initial tester, you no need that much domain knowledge. But if you want to enter into as an experienced person, okay, as a 3 years or 4 years experienced person, if you have the more domain knowledge, okay, it will be better to you. Means domain knowledge is nothing but if you want to work if you are worked on banking application, means you have to know the things internally what is going on. Okay, what are the requirements, what is the best features we can give in banking application. Okay, means if you want to get more customers for banking, you have to give a personal account or accessing is you have to make accessing easy to the customers, and you have to give more security. Like this means what the customer is expecting from the bank, security, right? That's why he is reaching the bank and he is depositing the money, right?
Hmm.
Is that right? Like that, you have to, if you are working on that particular domain for 2 or 3 years, you will get that knowledge. Okay, if you want to get
Yeah,
that knowledge at this point of time, means you have to Google it,
yeah, that's
right?
what actually I did
Mm.
in my phone.
Mm. That is the thing.
So yeah, okay, I got it. I got it.
You got it right. Okay, this is the session actually what we discussed today. Okay, nothing but what we discussed today means introduction to the testing part, and what are the objectives of testing. Objective of testing is nothing but finding the defects. That is the objective of testing. Okay, why we have to go for testing, and what is project and what is product we discussed, and what is error, what is fault, and what is failure. Fault is nothing but a bug. I told you, bug, defect or fault all are same. Okay, but the error is different and the failure is different. Okay, that is the thing. Next, why software having the defects, what are the most common defects we will find. Okay, we will see in detail about the thing tomorrow. Okay, why software is having defects, more defects, and what are the common defects we will find in that thing. Okay, already we have discussed about cost of fixing defect. Okay, why we are getting more cost to means particular resolving the problem, and what we have to, what is the resolution for that. Already means I have given you the introduction for that. Means nothing but we have to test the application or the phase. In every phase, if you are going to introduce the testing, means we are going to decrease the cost of fixing defect itself, right?
Yeah,
Yes, means if you are checking in every phase, means there itself you will find some mistakes and you will rectify at that point of time. It will take less amount of money, right?
correct. Yeah, time and efforts and
That is nothing but the definition of verification and validation. Okay, that's why I told you, means I will explain in detail in further classes about the verification and validation.
yeah,
Yep, these are the things we discussed today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss more about the thing related to the verification and validation part, and what is quality assurance, what is quality control. Okay, and what the role of a tester actually, what he has to do. Okay, these things. Apart from this, we will enter into other chapter, nothing but principles of testing. Okay, this is the thing
okay.
tomorrow we are going to discuss.